Mommy, shut it off. Okay. Okay, switch it on. Nice boy.
Smart.
Yay! Choo-choo! Choo-choo! Okay, let's load the boxes. Mommy, load those 2 boxes. Nice. Okay, ready to go. Woohoo! Nice one, boy. Oh! Rubble fell off the train. Cute, Marcelin. Yongbao and who's that? Ashima. Take and play trains. And more trains. Cool. Nice one, boy. That's Axel. Okay, so what do we have here? Paw Patrol, huh? Yeah. Paw Patrol Adventure Bay Railway. Yep, it's a truck set. Nice. Roll Patrol. Nicey, cute, Marcelin. Yeah, nice. Motorized action. Nicey, mommy. Load the car. Up the ramp. Okay, what do we have here? Press the head for on and off button or function. Stop the train. Okay, what else? Oh no, rock slide. Clear the rock slide. And they made it. Awesome. Lower the guardrail. Woo, nice, long. Nice one, Marcelin. Yeah. Choo-choo. Marcelin. He's excited. You want to unbox it now, Marcelin? Yeah? Okay, mommy, you know what to do, huh? Unbox it. Yeah. Okay, go, mommy. Oh, yeah, Marcelin. Yeah. And, mommy, you know what to do next, huh? Assemble the playset. What's that, Marcelin? Yeah. Is that a gate or something? Almost done, mommy?
Yeah.
Yongbao. Take and play Yongbao. Chinese train, Markslen. From China. What, mommy?
Wait.
All set?
Yeah.
Okay. Get the train, mommy.
Where's the train?
There's the train. Unbox it. What, Markslen? Yeah, mommy's getting the train. Okay, the train is unboxed. And the doggy. What's his name again, mommy? The dog? Rumble? I forgot. Yeah, Markslen. Nice. Mommy, get batteries for the train. Oh, mommy, his name is Rubble. Yeah, Rubble.
Bravo.
Rubble the dog. Rubble the puppy. Okay, Markslen. All yours. Choo-choo. Choo-choo, Markslen. Choo-choo train. Paw Patrol. Markslen is going to put the batteries. 2 AAA batteries for the train. Go, boy. Unscrew it. Okay, put the batteries, mommy. Okay, Markslen is going to do it. He's gonna put the batteries. Ow!
It's okay. Let me.
Ooh, nice Markslen, oh. He knows how to play it. Yay! Yeah. Whoa! Nice one, boy. Yeah. Paw Patrol. Look. Yeah. Oh, mommy. We need to get this playset to connect. We need to connect those 2 playsets, mommy. So it's gonna be more awesome. Right, Markslen? Paw Patrol train set. Oh, how did you do that? Oh, okay. Yeah. There you go, boy. Yeah. Don't press it yet, mommy. Okay, press it. There you go. Ooh, nice, Markslen. Whee! Whee! Yeah! There you go, boy. Okay, press it, Markslen. Mommy, show Markslen. There you go. Yeah! Connect the cargo car. Or cars. There are 2 cars. Nice one. Yay! Press it, boy. Yay! Good job. Yeah. Yay! Hooray for Markslen. Yeah! Press it, Markslen. Yeah! Oh! Fix the train! Woohoo! Yeah! Cute, huh? Yeah! Awesome! Mommy, put rubble on the train. There you go.
Go, Marslin. Ah.
Marslin. Whee! Huh? That's Ivan and Ashima. Are you going to load them, Mommy?
Yeah.
Cool. Huh? Marslin? Okay, open the gate. Yeah. Nice, eh, Marslin? Whoops. Whoa! Where is Rubble? Mommy, where is Rubble?
Oh.
Oh, there he is. Put him on the train. Okay, load the box. The boxes. And load Ivan and Ashima. There you go. Don't forget Ivan. Yay! Woohoo! Yeah. Marslin is having fun. Yeah. Yeah. Railroad crossing. Open the gate. Shoot.
Marslin.
Marslin, oh, having fun. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Cute, hey? Marslin, no? Hiding. What do you say, Mommy?
Nice.
Fun, hey?
Yeah, it's so fun.
Nice playset.
Yeah.
Paw Patrol. Maya watches Paw Patrol.
Yeah. Okay.
Mommy, how do you shut off the train?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, by pressing the head, huh? Choo-choo! Yeah.
Choo-choo.
Paw Patrol train. Mommy, put the train on the track. Ah, he doesn't want to.